Here we have the new LED deck light. This uses two T8 tubes, available in 12, 24 volt, 110 or 240. Just open it up. It's rated to IP65. One of the bulbs that just remove the cover so you can actually see what's behind, because the LED is covered by a white diffusing case. If you remove this case, this is what is actually sat behind it. It's just got a case on to basically protect the LED chip, prolong its life, and also the beauty with these, they're easily changeable. As you've just seen me do, you can change a bulb just like changing any other bulb you've changed, and very similar to the old fluorescent style. Let's that's it, it's in. But obviously these bulbs have come with this cover over there, which is a seal cover to prolong the life. Also with these tubes, they can be bought separately, because everything that needs to make these work is actually contained inside the bulb, so it will work direct off a 24 volt power source with no need for inverters or anything. If you look on the back of these lights, it's just a direct power source in, got negative one side of the bulb and positive the other side. There's nothing else inside, no drivers, no inverters, all works directly with the bulb. Everything that the bulb needs is inside the bulb. Less to go wrong, nothing inside the casing to go wrong. If you tube finishes or have a problem, we can just send you a tube rather than having to replace the whole light. Also with these, they will go in the old style one which I've got here. This is the old style fluorescent tubes that all of us have used over the years. The beauty with these, you don't have to bin these if they're still good and they're still fairly watertight. You can just take out the old tube and put one of these straight in. You will have to make a slight modification in the back, because in the back of these old units there's power inverters or converters, whichever the case may be. Just turn that in there. That's locked in. That's changed from fluorescent to LED. The only thing you will have to do in the back of the light, you have to cut out your original inverters and basically put a direct feed live one side and negative the other side, and the bulb will work. But unfortunately you can't just plug and play with the old style ones. You've got to just it should take a couple of minutes for someone that knows what they're doing. I would always recommend that you use a qualified marine electrician, but that's only a recommendation. Just take that back out. the ones that are in these original ones are actually 20 watts and 2 times 20 watt. But you'll see when I show you a video in a bit that the actual 2 times 10 watt LED is a lot brighter. It's an easier light to work with, and it also projects a brighter light, as you'll see in a minute. I'll just put this back together so I can show you side by side. Obviously this one now I'm showing you is the old style unit. Two side by side. They're virtually the same length. I think there's about half an inch total in the casing, but it's only the casing length. As you've seen, the bulbs swap from one to the other. I'll just put it on top to give you a get that about level. So actually when you put them on top they're the same length. Slightly narrow on the width, but like I say, it projects actually more light than the old style, using a lot less power. It's got a nice quality flange on there that will pull up tight. Brackets on the back. It's fixing brackets. Okay, this is the outside demonstration. I've basically just set the two lights up. That's the old style one and the new LED one. Okay, just gonna put the new style one on. Old style light, which you all know. Just turn off my headlight. Okay, that's the original 2 times 20 watt fluorescent tubes. See, it's not covering too far. Okay, I'll just switch that off. Headlight back on. Okay. That's the 2 times 10 watt LED. I think you can probably see it's quite a lot brighter. Put the old one back on. Makes very little difference. Just put that. Going to take off the new LED one now. both running. And I'll switch LED off again. LED back on. LED off.